Nigga, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I warned you. I warned you. Why did you allow the devil to possess you this much? I warned you, but you will not listen. I warned you that you cannot heal your wound on your toe by cutting off your leg, but you didn't listen.
I am sorry. I am sorry, my husband.
Will you stop that and stop telling me you're sorry after I warned you? Now that he is dead, where is Amanda? No, just tell me, where is Amanda? Is Amanda back right now?
I never asked them to kill him. I did not ask Commander to kill him. I only asked him to torture him so that the truth will come out.
And now that you have spilled the milk while looking for who spilled the honey, are you ready? No, are you okay? Are you ready for court cases? Are you ready for village meetings, name callings, and swearing before the village deity? No, just tell me.
My husband.
No, tell me. Are you ready for the enmity that will last for generations after our children? Brace up. No, brace up. Continue. Study, let them know.
My husband, I am so sorry. It's just that no mother will watch her daughter die just like that without finding what killed her. No. I did not ask Commander to kill him.
Brace up. Just brace up and get ready for all that you have planned. Brace it up.
Ebubedike, what happened to Amanda?
What is this?
Are you going to answer my question or you want me to do the unthinkable? What did you do to my sister Amanda?
Hey, please don't do this to me. I've been a good father. I gave you everything that you deserve. I gave you the best education, took you to the best school, gave you a job, and I gave you money and...
Shut up! Shut up and answer the question. What did you do to my sister? How did you kill her? Did you eat her heart? What did you do to her?
Where did you get that from? Rika! Where did you get that from? I didn't kill my daughter.
Then what did you do to her?
I didn't kill her.
So what did you do to her? Just tell me what you did to my sister.
I didn't do anything.
What did you do to her? Look, if you do not leave this place this minute, I am going to start with you. Just get out! Get out from here!
Stop!
Hello, Pastor Johnson. Cherika has gone violent again. As we speak, she's threatening her father with a knife.
Oh, not again. I will be there in 3 minutes.
Oh, please be fast, please. Please. What is going on? What is happening in my family? What is going on? Oh my God. God, please help me. Help me. Hey.
Her spirit is restless. Restless. Her spirit is restless.
Doji, the hell? What is it? Are you okay? Man. No. There's an evil spirit in this house. She keeps flogging me. Who flogged you? The little girl, Amanda. What are you saying? See, Doji, calm down. Eh? What are you saying?
Just kill your fears, man. I am here to help.
Huh? You can help me? Are you trying to say you can help me stop her from tormenting me?
Definitely, I'm going to help you to solve whatever that is troubling you. Only if you can trust me.
Wait.
Wait, if I trust you, are you trying to say if I trust you, you can help me stop her from coming here?
Sure. Can we go inside?
No, I can't go inside. Don't even say that again. I'm not going to go inside. I'm not going inside. No, I can't do that.
Doji, what did you do to this girl that she's always after you?
I don't know. I was nice to her when she was alive. But I don't know why she keeps tormenting me like this.
You're just having a mere hallucination. We can sort this thing out.
Excuse me? Come on, bro. I'm an adult. I'm a grown man. I know when something is right and when something is not. You can't call this hallucination. I'm not dreaming. Listen, she keeps flogging me.
If you help her, why would she be flogging you? Huh? I don't understand.
See, we're gonna sort this thing out here today, but we can't stand here. So can we just go inside?
Doji, you said we should go inside, so lead the way.
The little girl keeps tormenting me. I don't know what I've done to her. I don't know what I did. What have I done to her? I was nice to her when she was alive.
Are you asking me? No, if you ask me, who will I ask?
Did I not tell you to get out? Did I not tell you to get out? I told you to get out. What did you do to my sister? What did you do to my sister?
I didn't do anything to your sister. I didn't do anything.
You used her for money ritual.
I never did. All the money I made from hard work and the help of God. I have never been a ritualist.
Then that's a lie. That's a big lie. So why did you do anything about her death? Why have you been quiet? Why are you quiet about her death?
I didn't want to get myself into revenge, and I hate revenge. Believe me, please.
I do not believe you. You better speak now. I'm just...
What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to kill your father? Killing your father will never ever bring your sister back to life. You will end up losing more people. Above all, you will be guilty of murder. Your father's blood will forever be found on your hands. Believe me, dear, you will regret it. You will live the rest of your life regretting it. Rika, you do not have right to take a life because you do not give life. It is an abomination in the sight of God. Please, hand me the knife. Rika, please hand me the knife. Please.
Yes, my
Rika, please hand the knife over to me.
Rika, please. Please.
What is going on?
I don't know.
Just calm down. You see, no matter how rampant your life has become, it can still be okay. Only if you're ready to correct your mistakes.
My brother, I've tried to correct my mistakes, but I really don't know how I got into this mess.
But it looks like the more I try, the more I get into more trouble.
You just have to open up to me. You see, that was the reason why I sent Frank away, so that if there's anything you want to tell me, you can say it. Tell me your story, how it all started.
I feel like God has forsaken me. God has abandoned me. He has forgotten about everything I have gone through in my life. Because if He hasn't, why would He let me go through this?
You see, you need to be calm. Really, you need to be calm. Tell me your story. Together we can find a way to sort this thing out.
I lost my mother shortly after my birth. I spent almost all my life with my father. But unfortunately for him, he became sick. I sold everything he had to pay hospital bills. But sadly, he passed away. I was left with no option but to stay with my uncle.
Tochi, when your father was sick, I told you to stop selling his properties. But you will not listen to me. You thought maybe I was wishing your father death. Now that you have taken everything, you've sold his 2 portions of land. As if that wasn't enough, you went ahead to sell his only house. And now, you're coming back to me to ask me if you can stay with me.
Uncle, you know how much I loved my father. I didn't want him to die. But unfortunately, he did. And the only way I could have saved him was to sell those lands. But I feel bad that unfortunately my father died. What do you want me to do?
Okay. Now that you have wasted all the resources that you would have used to start your own life on him, and still you could not save him, what is the way forward?
Uncle, I came to plead with you. I was told you're moving into the new house with your family. So please, allow me stay here. Just allow me stay here so I can find my feet. Give me some time. I believe I'm going to bounce back, please.
If I refuse now, the whole world will call me a wicked man. But between me and my God, I know that I am not wicked. No problem. I will allow you to stay. Okay? You will stay. You will stay, but you must be ready to follow me to the farm. You know I'm a farmer, and you don't have any job now. So you will follow me to the farm. Besides that also, you will run other house errands. Are you listening to me?
No problem, sir.
Beautiful. That's very good. Now, this house that you're coming to come and stay, also, you must keep it very clean. All the time. All the time. And then you must be very careful. Because anything you destroy in this house, you pay for it.
But Uncle, I'm not a careless person now. Why are you making me look like a bad person?
Did you hear what I said?
No problem, sir.
Thank you. And it's not just no problem. Anyone they tell you say no problem. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's not what I'm here for. I'm going to make you to put pen to paper. You will sign for me.
Sign for what again?
That all the things that I have said, that you have agreed to them.
It hasn't gotten to that now.
No, it has gotten. Because of tomorrow. So that you will remain authentic. Okay, tomorrow now, when I call you, you will say, how did it happen?
Uncle, no problem. I've heard you.
So, you go and get your things. You can come and stay. This door is still locked. Is this boy not awake yet? Huh? Tochi! 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 Huh? Once again.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You mean you are still in bed?
Yes, sir.
What's the yes, sir? So this is how you're going to find out your feet that you said you want to stay here and find.
Uncle boy, it's too early to go out now. I'm sleeping.
It's too early to go out. Young man, it's too early for you to go out. An old man like me, I'm already here. Prepared to go to my farm. My friend, let's go to the farm.
Uncle, but what am I supposed to do for you at the farm?
When we go to the farm, you know now. Maybe they go to the farm to go and play. When we get there.
It's too early now. It's too early to go to the farm.
Okay. I now see how useless you want to become. You have forgotten the adage that there is no food for a lazy man. You think this is how I sit down in the house and food will come? The food that you have been eating?
But Uncle, it's too early to go to the farm. Who goes to the farm at this time?
If you continue like this, I will be forced to reduce your number of stay in this house.
Uncle, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has gotten to that. Just one day to the farm now. You are complaining.
Come, let me get my heart.
Get
your heart and come and carry this hoe and this your own cutlass. You think it is easy to put food on the table?
Of those who teaches is often an obstacle to those who wants to learn. What the baby? To hurry go the more, magi ebuna memo, ebuna memo, ebuna memo, ebuna memo, ebuna memo. To hurry go the more, magi ebuna memo, ebuna memo, ebuna memo. This life is not fair to me. I am suffering. Temptation, the make people fall. Afufa bugo pamisi yo. Temptation, the make people fall. My condition, let me change my heart to you. Temptation, the make people fall. This is life. I want you to be strong. Be strong. Not fall into this temptation.
Don't you mean you are still on this small portion of this cassava that I asked you to be cutting this morning? I thought by now you would have finished here and then move on to the other side now. That's where the major work is.
Uncle, which side?
Over there.
The other side?
Yes.
No. I'm sorry, I can't do the other side, Uncle. Uncle, it is too much for me. Uncle, we have to get a heavy-duty machine to clear that side.
Tochi, heavy-duty machine?
Yes.
When I was about your age, this small portion that you are seeing now, I would have finished the whole of this place and moved over to the other side. Now you are telling me a machine.
Uncle, I'll try to finish this part. But I'm sorry, I can't do the other part. We have to get a tractor to clear that part. That farm is too big for me.
Tochi, let me tell you. You must make sure you finish this portion before this evening.
Uncle, I'll try my best, but I'm hungry.
Let me tell you. You must try and finish this place before evening. As per hungry, who is while he's still working?
Uncle, who eats once in a day after doing all this hard labor? What do you mean? Uncle, why are you treating me like this? Okay. My father didn't treat me like this when he was alive. Are you not supposed to be my father's brother?
Now I see that you want to become useless completely. No problem. You don't want to work for me again. When you get home, pack your bag and make sure you leave my house before tomorrow.
Uncle, I don't understand why you're treating me like this. I've been working here since morning and you've refused to give me food. Who eats once a day after doing all this hard labor? Leave me alone.
You want to machine to come and help you to work. Your fathers in their own days, did they use tractor to work?
My father did not treat me like this. What do you mean?
You are looking for machine to come and do your work.
I will not clear the other farm. I will not clear the other farm. Go and get the tractor to clear it.
No problem. Just pack your things when you get home and go. I have tried.
Pack your things, pack everything. You threatening me, pack your things, pack your things. I think you are the only one who owns the house.
I went through a lot. He frustrated me.
Well, I thought he was being helpful. Waking you up very early every morning and making you walk a lot. I mean, this sounds like being trained.
Yeah. I wasn't getting paid. I did all the hard labor without getting paid.
I mean, how can that be? How were you able to feed?
I almost died of hunger until God sent Ginika my way. Ginika saved my life.
This life is not fair to me. I am suffering. Temptation, they make people fall.
Hey.
Good evening.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Tired.
Looks like you've been monitoring me. How did you know I'm back?
My mother said she saw you on your way back home.
Oh.
So I thought I should bring you food because I know you must be very hungry by now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's inside?
Rice. I made your favorite.
Hmm.
You're on this your bad character.
Yeah. I've been hungry. Oh. That stupid man refused to give me food to eat.
It's a lie.
I don't know why he keeps treating me like this. I don't know.
My love, I have told you to stop working for that man. There are plenty people that are ready to pay you handsomely for your services. So why are you wasting your time and energy?
He has been threatening to throw me out of his house if I stop working for him.
That is so wicked of him. Why is he being this heartless towards you? Baby, are you sure you've not in any way offended him?
I haven't. It's a long story. You see, when my father was sick, I went to him for financial assistance.
Okay.
He refused to give me. He said I should leave my father in the house to die and prepare for his burial. I couldn't do that. So I sold all my father's properties to take care of his hospital bills. It is against our tradition. It is prohibited to sell my father's properties. That my father is his brother. That nobody does that in our family. But I couldn't allow my father die. I had to do that because I wanted to save my father. But unfortunately, my father died. Since my father died, that man has treated me like a stranger. He keeps making life horrible for me.
I don't understand that man at all. What kind of a person is he? Like he refused to give you money to take your father to the hospital. And then again wants you not to sell the land because it's prohibited in his tradition, according to him. He's so heartless and wicked. But you know one thing I like about life? It is unpredictable. No one knows the head that will wear the crown tomorrow. You see all this evil thing he has been doing to you. I know that God will pay him in his own coin and his children will suffer from it too. So don't stress yourself. I also pray that he lives to see how great you become to me.
I pray God remembers me someday.
God does not forget his own. He definitely will remember you. In fact, he has remembered you. So don't stress yourself. Oh?
Yeah, please go in there and get me water.
Okay.
This life is not fair to me. I am suffering. Temptation, they make people fall. Afufa go temptation, they make people fall. My condition made me change my heart.
Are you okay?
Temptation, they make people.
See, I just noticed that the other hoe has become very small. So I went to get this one so that he can help you do the work properly.
Uncle, did you not hear what I said? Don't you have human sympathy? I told you I'm not feeling well. My entire body hurts.
So you don't start to behave like a woman. When a man falls sick, he goes into his house, he picks his cutlass, and then he goes into the farm, or inside the bush rather. He cuts some herbs. He comes back to his house. He prepares them and it becomes medicine. And he takes it. And before anybody in the village will even know that that person is sick, but look at you. You are here yelling because you want me to give you breast. Can you get a more? It was the tata. And listen to me very good. I am leaving for the farm now. And I don't want to get there before you. If I get to that farm and you are not there yet, the kind of reaction that you will see from me, you will not like it.
And I'll pack out of your house.
No problem.
Chai, ijo wadiebu owasirike. Wadibumini. The authority of those who teaches is often an obstacle to those who wants to learn.
Your body is hot. What is wrong with you?
I'm not feeling well.
Have you had something to eat?
No.
Have you had any drugs?
No.
My condition, let me take
yeah. Come here. Come. What are you doing with you? I said, what are you doing with Tochi? Why are you always taking care of him?
He's my friend.
He's your friend? That is the kind of friend that you want to have. How can you have such a friend that cannot even take care of your needs?
Nai, I know he has nothing, but I love him the way he is.
Then you must be very stupid. In fact, you are very foolish. You love him the way he is. Love. In fact, leave my sight. I said leave my sight, Okaku never.
Nai, you just insulted me.
And what will you do? You get me?
I don't like this kind of
insult.
Wicked man, only God will reward you for everything.
Mama.
My dear.
Ginika told me you gave her some money to buy some drugs for me. I want to thank you. God bless you so much.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
And I know you're getting better now.
I feel a lot better, Mama.
Good. I'm a mother. Yes, I'm a mother. It is good for me to have a compassionate heart to everyone around me. My sons are not close to me. And I don't know what they are going through wherever they are now. So when I pray to God to favor them, I will also favor the people around me. So that God will answer my prayer.
Mama,
my dear.
God will keep rewarding you.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Ah. No, okay. No.
Ojugo. Anybody that owns a chicken that likes to fly around will always hold the fowl and cut its feathers. You see your daughter? I am begging you. It's either you clip her feathers or you cut it off before she flies on top of my head.
With all due respect, sir, do not refer to me as a chicken. I won't tolerate you walk into my father's compound to insult me. Never.
You see that thing that I'm talking about?
Mama,
did you just hear your daughter? This is exactly the way she insulted me the other day. This same girl.
Ginika, Biko, please forgive her. She will not try it again. Yes, she will not try it again. Please forgive her.
Mama, I will not try what again. Leave me. I will not try what again. I know you hate the truth. The truth is like a bitter pill for you, but I will keep forcing it down your throat. Mazokeke, change from treating your nephew like a slave. Stop being evil and wicked.
It's me that you are talking to like that. Eh? Mwabu Mazokeke.
Please, I don't know what has come over my daughter.
As for you, Tochi, you are the reason this little girl is talking to me like this. But there's no problem. As for you, little girl, keep flying. Be flying around the whole place. Keep sticking to the cops. I will not tell you what will happen to you until you get there.
God forbid.
Nonsense.
Not my daughter. Nothing will happen
Mama,
to my
Biko, leave
God
this
forbid.
man. Biko. What is it?
God forbid.
Dana, well, afonjo kwa ilu.
Hey. Tochi. Tochi, my son. Tochi, please, you have to calm down. You don't expect Mazokeke to treat you well. He can never treat you well. There is this hatred, this bitterness inborn since I knew him. From when he was young, he has been like this. So don't expect him to change. He can never change.
Mama, if I had somewhere else to go, trust me, I won't return to that house. I won't.
My dear, I know God must surely make a way where there is no way for you. God that created you will not allow you to continue like this.
Amen.
Never.
Amen. 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 Amen.
As for you, Geneka, I have told you that this man, Okeke, is dangerous. He is a bad man. Everybody knows him in this village. Stay away from him, Biko. Aja drop ya. Zekweru nwoke a Geneka.
What is the meaning of this?
What's wrong with this man now? What do I do now? What nonsense is this? Why did he lock the door? How do I get in? I have to do something about this. I can't keep living my life like this.
My condition, let me change my heart. Temptation, they make people fall. This is life. I want you to be strong. Be strong.
I had to leave the village. Although I had nowhere to go. I had no money on me. But I had to decide on what path to follow. To either remain in the village and die, or seek greener pastures in the city. Yeah, that was a very heavy step that you took. I mean, you didn't even tell your uncle that you were leaving. I couldn't tell him. I'm sure he was expecting me to plead with him as usual. But I couldn't do that. I broke the door, packed my things and left. Okay, fine. So, when you left the village, where did you find yourself? In the slums, in the city. The scariest moments of my life. I met Frank Hawking. I told him about my predicament and he decided to help me.
He offered me a home. A very, very poor home. But then, I couldn't complain because at that point in my life, it meant everything to me.
So my guy, now here the manage you. Understand? I know get house now, here the manage. Now 3-bedroom. But the main room, they don't put a window. Understand? So I hope so you go like them.
I don't have a choice. A beggar does not have a choice.
No, normally you don't get choice now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
One more thing. I beg. I'm a very peaceful person. For this area, they know me, so I know they find trouble. So no put me for trouble. I beg. I take
No. I'm a peaceful person as well. I don't look for trouble.
Nice one.
Okay. But bro, I wanted to ask, where can I have my bath?
Na by street though.
Huh?
By Jampa way.
Jampa?
Yeah, Jampa.
What do you mean, sir?
Very early in the morning, you come out here, take your shower before they go break. You understand? And if you come back at night, you shower when it's dark.
In the middle of the road?
Yes, now street today now. You went back for jacuzzi before? You the wine? I beg you.
Okay, what about if I want to use the toilet?
Na bush well. Na by bush well.
Sir?
You find bush enter, go rugged and there. If you know see bush pano, you go use nylon. Enter there. If you do finish, you fling and enter bush. I saw the run my guy. Understand? You can make her show you where to keep your bag.
Okay. I never knew some people could live like animals in the city. Life in the village would have been a lot better if I had freedom. Because it is better to live like a free man in the village than to live at the Buckingham Palace as a slave. Life in the city was very low. But then, it brought a lot of freedom and a ray of hope to me.
So how long did it take you to adapt?
I did not. I could not. It was impossible for me to adapt. I kept working hard because that was the only option I had. I started with a bricklaying job so I could raise some money to do other petty businesses.
That is really interesting. I really admire your fighting spirit. I mean, you made this strong decision never to fail, but to succeed.
My friend, I had to do what I had to do. I had to work extra hard because I knew there was no place to call home. Listen, to me, it wasn't a case of go hard or go home. It was a case of go hard or die trying. Retreat was never an option for me.
I brought you here so that you can open up to me. You went overboard. I mean, why would you develop such animosity against your own father? You would have stabbed him to death if we had not intervened. Why do you harbor such hatred?
My father created this monster. Those people showed me dark wickedness.
What exactly did he do to you that made you hate him this much?
Well, they killed the good girl I once was growing up. They are heartless. They were mean to me. They abandoned and rejected me on the street when I needed them the most.
You mean your father sent you out into the street? What did you do to him?
I've been warning you. I've been warning you that if you get pregnant out of wedlock, I will disown you. The problem is that she doesn't even know who got her pregnant. Shut up! Shut up! You are a big disgrace. And you are not going to carry that pregnancy in my house. So you have to leave my house.
Daddy.
You have to leave my house.
Daddy, please, Daddy. I don't have anywhere else to go. Where do I go to? I have nowhere else to go.
You have nowhere to go. What about the man that got you pregnant?
He's a student. He doesn't have a house.
Oh, he says he's a student. A student does not have a house, but he has a manhood that will be entering every hole. And you have the legs that will be opening everywhere.
Sorry. Mommy, please help me. Talk to him.
Shut up your mouth.
Don't even mention mommy. You want to bring disgrace to this family, but it will not work for you. Shameless girl.
You will not carry this pregnancy in this house, and I want you to leave this house right away. I said leave this house right away.
Daddy, please. I'm sorry.
I said leave because I don't care where you go to. Whether you go to moon or you go to any planet or whatsoever, I want you to leave this house.
Okay.
Rika, I'm ashamed of you. Look at you.
I can't even have. I can't wait for you. Begin to leave.
Okay.
Stand up!
Okay, let me get my things.
No way! No way!
Get out! I don't have anything, my phone!
Go!
Hey!
So as it stands now, my father has disowned me. Me, his own daughter. Well, it's fine. It's fine. I am definitely not going back. Never. I will face life here alone, by myself.
That was how I was left alone on the streets to stray like a dog. I was made to fend for myself, all by myself. I hated them so much. The more I roamed on the streets by myself, the more the bitterness in my heart grew. I met some street boys that introduced me to drinking, smoking, and all sort of hard drugs.
You mean you did all that with your pregnancy?
Yes. I almost died when I had my baby. When I got into labor, the boys took me to the hospital. They called my father. He came. He tried to support me, paid the hospital bills, but that doesn't fix anything. You can't just mend broken bottles.
For a very long time, we have been looking for you. Thank God you are here. It's like that.
You have been looking for me. I lost.
We know we made mistakes. Moments that you left, we started thinking if we had handled it better than we did. We apologize for that.
You open your eye like this, carry your bow, cast on top river. You dey look the bow, river carry and they go. Now you want me the river carry the bow, come back, can't give you. No be juju be that. Not too funny, well.
Sherika, we are sorry for putting you through all this. It's just that we felt that you disappointed us with your actions. Don't worry. We'll make it up, okay? My daughter, please.
I'll try to make the documents ready so you can join your brothers in London. So I want you to start a new life, a brand new life entirely, okay?
So you know I have siblings abroad. Why didn't you send me to them? Because of small mistake why I make. Una set me ablaze. Send me enter street. Now you want to sow me like a seed. How do you expect me to germinate?
My daughter, please. Surely we will help you to germinate. It's a promise.
I beg, not disturb yourself. Don't stress yourself. You see this my picking one also. Una go help me look am because I don't want my concern. As for me, I'm good. Street is good with me.
So, where are you going now?
I get room for this house. As far as I'm concerned, I don't have a place here.
Who said so? You remain my daughter. This is your home. This is not the kind of life I wished for you.
Say, hey, baby, I better not make me vex so. Not provoke me, cannot change them for you. What are you trying to say now? You don't want to make her look like saying my fault, Abi? This is the plan you had for me. And the plan you had for me is good. I'm not complaining. I like it. No problem. My only concern is this child. They're going to take care of him.
Cherika, please. Please, don't say this. We will put everything right. I promise you we will amend. Please, we will amend everything, Biko.
I bet everywhere good, though. You see me like this. Me, I be street. Street, me, street. All of us twins. So I good. The most important thing is this speaking. Take care of her. They cry away for night, too. If you cry when I give her milk. Me like this, I don't come out here. Look after her. Don't stress the kids. Find me, give her. They cry away for night, too. Cry,
This world is a sweet place. If only me and you, we can love each other. If only we can love each other. This world we contain all of us. If only we can love each other. Oh, love each other. Oh, we can love each other. We changing a more, man change man. Oh, we changing a more, man change man. Now a better person. You have changed, man change man. You have turned me around. Oh, man change man. I'm now a better person. Now a better person. Man change man. Yo, we changing a more, man change man. I'm now a better person. Turn my life around. Man change man. Baby, we changing a more, man change man. I'm now a better person. Wicked people, they are doing in vain. When hand of God come upon your life, it will favor you. Nobody is God at all. Cause what is final? Man change man, we changing a more. You're my good friend. Man change man, I'm now a better person. You are a good friend. Man change man, you have turned me around. Oh, man change man, I'm now a better person. Now a better person. Man change man, yo, we changing a more. Man change man, I'm now a better person. Turn my life around. Man change man, baby, we changing a more.
Wahala, wahala.
My baby.
Wahala, wahala.
My baby, my baby. My baby, my baby. What's it so?
When I shopping, I just a coffee.
Shop. I go shopping. You say shop?
I say I go do cleaning.
Shopping.
I clean everywhere. Hey, calm down.
Happen?
Calm down. You see this bag like this now, so. I goodies for this bag.
You see?
Goodies upon goodies. Like this now, we be millionaire. No, me and you now we 2 millionaires.
We be
millionaires.
You say?
Wait first now. Wait first. This one. And my mama get her. That woman too like better thing. This one, I go take this one first. Understand? Calm down. Make I show you something now. Make I show you something now. You dey see her? You dey see the color? You dey see her? You dey confirm her? Now hard currency. What's here? I tell you now. After you say those people get money, I go there, I collect her, I move.
Your family get money, oh.
That man get money. That man get money. My own are to the collect. If I go there, I go there show them. I go there show them.
Hey!
Daddy showing
My
now.
baby.
Now maybe that.
My baby.
Now maybe that. Now maybe that. You know, see, it clear everywhere good. It clear. Like this now, we don't make them. Yes, we don't make them. We might show you now. Ma show you now. Ma own fame for you now. Check her.
Jesus.
A diamond. A diamond.
My baby.
Gold.
My baby.
You don't know my mama. My mama they wear rubbish. We don't make them. Hey, God.
See, order me and my boys. We could go clear these people up.
No. Very serious. You see these people now, I know how to operate on them. I know how to clean them up. Now, but if they do anyhow, we go, we go rock get down now. You know how they, we go, boy.
I beg carry me come out, my go smoke police.
Body. See what will happen like this now. We enter town. We go paint the town different colors, pink, blue, purple. Who
want check out?
Who want check out? God beg. Mama, they move. Wait.
What's wrong? Why are you surprised?
I don't understand. This thing will happen between me and you. It confuse me. Like, this thing just the way one kind part of me why I feel say it don't die. You understand? Like this kindness. Why you go do this kind thing? Why? You there for streets. You can't return money. I don't understand.
Honestly, I'm short of words. I don't know why I returned the money. Maybe because it's not a part of me to steal other people's things. Besides, it's a bad time for me now, but I thought it was the right thing to return the money. Yeah.
So person go there for streets, still be better person. That kind of thing they happen.
Well, I strongly believe that you can be on the streets and not act like the people on the streets.
I don't know now. I don't know say it possible say you go there streets, can't still be better person on top. I don't know now. Me I don't dey fucked up. I dey messed up. Me I won't begin from.
But you don't know that.